Open Google Chrome and in the search bar, type Brother DCP-L3551CDW driver download, enter your printer model to search, and hit enter. From the search results, click on the official Brother support website for that printer model. The website should automatically detect your operating system. If it doesn't, select Windows 10 from the list of operating systems provided. Look for the Downloads section on the page for your printer model. Choose the Printer Driver or Full Driver and Software Package option. Click on Download and agree to the End-User License Agreement, if prompted. Once the download is complete, open the installer, usually a .x file, from your browser's download location or from the folder where you saved it. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the driver. This typically involves agreeing to terms, selecting installation preferences. Follow the on-screen instructions and prompts to complete the installation process. During installation, you may be prompted to choose a connection type. Select wireless or USB as your connection type. The installer will search for available printers. When it detects your Brother DCP-L3551CDW color laser printer, select it from the list and continue with the installation process. Your Brother DCP-L3551CDW color laser printer should be successfully connected to your Windows computer via Wi-Fi network.